Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. Today I wanted to share with you my very first subscription box item. I was on Instagram and I saw an ad for Lip Monthly, which are lip products, and you do like a monthly subscription for them. This is the way it came. I'm just opening it now. I was downstairs cleaning and the mailman came, well, the mailwoman, and I was on Instagram and I saw an ad for $5 for the very first month, and so I said, well, let me give it a try. After I applied for this one, I kind of felt like I wouldn't do this one simply because I just feel like some of the other subscription boxes include lip products and you get a lot more in your packaging. But I think that the reason why I got this one, not only because it was $5, but also because I had just gone through and purged all of my lip products, and so the thought of being able to get a variety of lip products on a monthly basis was just very appealing to me. And so I did go with this subscription box, but I don't know that I'm going to keep this one because from the videos that I've been seeing, it's not necessarily products that I recognize. Ooh. See how easily I'm distracted. Look at me. The makeup bag is super cute. This is so cute. It's nice. It feels a little like it's a coated cotton or something like that. So I'm so easily distracted. Okay, so there is a card and it says Girl Power May 2019. And it says, welcome to May 2019's bag. We are well into spring and summer is only just around the corner. This month we've curated a bag that helps you shine bright. As the weather gets warmer and the days get longer, show us your bag for a chance to be featured on our Instagram. Okay, Lip Monthly team. So the very first thing looking at me is from Ibby Beauty, IBY. And this is called Feather Matte Liquid Lipstick, inspired by you. And this is what it looks like. And it's pretty, very pretty. I have a ton of things like this, so I'm not going to open this because I know I have a lot of things open like that, like this right here, so I won't open it. But that's very, very pretty. I've never heard of the of that company before, and I guess I can look up to see exactly how much these items are if I'd like to purchase them separately. So the next thing is it's a lip crayon from Lip Monthly. It is packaged from them because that's what it says on here. And I'm just and this is number 4. And I guess that was the other thing I saw when I saw the videos for Lip Monthly. It didn't seem as if there was much variation. It seemed as if everyone just got the very same packaging. And this is a lip crayon. And this is very pretty as well. Not necessarily something I'll keep, but it's great anyway. And there is two more items. I see a lip pencil. And this is Lord & Berry. And it's Plum Ultimate Lip Liner. It's huge. Look at that. This is very pretty. And I'm sure with the 2 of these right here, that would actually be super gorgeous. Oh, might have to try that one. Okay. The last product is Laritzi Cosmetics. And this is a velvet liquid lipstick. And it is in the color Swoon. This is paraben-free, cruelty-free. Let it see. Ooh, this is pretty. That's really pretty. Nice. They're all so pretty. Very, very pretty. Awesome. Lip crayon. So these are the items that I received, including my bag. I think this is my favorite thing. This is definitely my favorite thing. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't know that I will continue with this because, again, these are not necessarily For lip colors, it's kind of, I am really, really particular. I wear nudes. I mean, that's what I have on today. But this bag right here, I am so in love with. Why is the bag my favorite thing that came with the whole thing? I love it because you see how the woman on here is holding up lipstick? It's just so cute. I really, really like this. You know, just to put a little something. I usually have like treats in my bag for my children, and so little tiny bags like this are really, really good for a little treat bag. So I think that's what it will be. But these are great too. They are very pretty, and I think maybe I'll give them a try because I'm like totally judging them without even trying any of the products. This feather mat is, this color is really beautiful. It's just, I have so many colors like this, and if this is really rich, I won't, well, with this lip liner, that will be pretty, won't it? Should I open these things? No. Anyway, yes, I think I will end up going with my Ipsy and the other one in the black box. I'll go with those. And this is a great thing. It was $5. I got all of these items for $5, so I'm not going to complain about that at all. But the regular price on this is $12, and to me for $12, I would, over getting this right here, I would choose to go to Ulta and just get a, I don't know, a Juvia's Place lip color or something like that. So anyway, this was a great experience. I'm happy that I got my feet wet in my monthly subscription box type of deal, and I'll talk to you guys again.